Jamaican ice hockey team wins 2019 Amerigol LATAM Cup. Wait, what? Ice hockey? You mean defrost some frozen hockey and saltfish? Yeah, ice hockey and saltfish. Team Jamaica has once again made history by winning the 2019 Amerigol LATAM Cup, defeating the defending champion Colombia with a score of 3-2 at the Florida Panthers Ice Den Stadium in Coral Springs, Florida. The Amerigol Cup tournament is a 3-day competition among Latin American countries. This year, it included over 400 players, 21 teams in 4 divisions. Jamaica's victory raises the team's hopes of playing at the Olympics. This may come as a surprise to many, including myself, who never knew that Jamaica had an ice hockey team. However, what is not surprising is the gall, the indomitable spirit, and the testicular fortitude that Jamaica has in tackling these non-traditionally Jamaican sports and even doing well at it. Like, for example, gymnastics, equestrian, diving, and of course these sports that involve large areas of ice. Jamaica hot, you know. You don't remember in 1988 with Devon Harris, Dudley Stokes, Michael White, Freddy Powell, and Chris Stokes? They made waves, they made news at the Winter Olympics in Calgary, Alberta. It even spawned a movie, Cool Runnings. This year's team is made up of players of Jamaican descent who live and play hockey in Canada and other countries around the world. It feels unbelievable. We just made history, said Jamaican forward Jaden Lindo. Jamaica's goal for the tournament was to show that a national hockey program with Olympic aspirations is worthy of financial and fan support. There's still a way to go before that happens, but this performance is already opening some eyes. A Canadian investor has indicated preparedness to build an ice rink for Jamaica's hockey team. Let me say that again. To build an ice rink for Jamaica's hockey team on the country's north coast. And this was said by Minister of Sports, Youth and Culture, Olivia Grange. She confirmed the news when addressing the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3S, in New Kingston, where the team was named for the 2019 International Association of Athletics Federation IAAF World Championships, which will be held in Qatar's capital, Doha. In the same press briefing, Ms. Grange stated that Jamaican men's ice hockey team's historic triumph at the LATAM Cup on Sunday has brought potential sponsors and sports goods manufacturers, and they are now excited about giving the team support.
Sports goods manufacturers are very excited about giving the team support. However, ladies and gentlemen, this morning I wish to make it known that serious investors are actually standing by to establish an ice rink along with a bobsled practice track and an 800-room boutique hotel in Jamaica's north coast. I will not say at this time exactly where on the north coast, but this is real. This is real. But I will have to announce it at another time because this is about track and field.
We have entered Brianna Williams in the 100 meters and the 4x100 meters relay, subject of course to clearance.
All I've got to say is go to Jamaica. Thanks for making us proud again. Alright, until the next piece of news breaking, this has been Surplus TV, actually Surplus Sports, and we say peace.
Yes,
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.